Alright, so this is a Maruyama SCW Pro magazine. So we're going to just disassemble this. I'll show you how. So here's the magazine. This is a standard inlet and exit valve. Has some gas in it. I guess they tested it before they shipped it. Standard VFC router for Glocks. See, inlet is VFC. Got a circular base plate. I mean, not base plate. Cap. So start off. We're just gonna take these two screws off. Hold this down really hard when you take these screws off because the spring will try to shoot out. There we go. Alright, next we want to knock these pins out. Knock it out from here to this. So knock the pin out going to the left. You don't want to push the pin out through these two holes. This is really thin up at the top and you could break it. Okay, once you do that, this will come off. Then you can press this in and then slide the sleeve off. Alright, there's the sleeve. Here is the dummy round sleeve, which I'm going to just throw it away. And here's the actual body of the magazine. You can see the top is held in by two pins, which I haven't done a leak test on these yet, so I don't know if they leak. I don't think they do. This magazine is pretty light. It's about 244 grams. So let's get this base plate off. I'll show you inside. Now be careful, you can remove the base plate with just a standard exhaust valve key. Just go slow, try not to scratch this aluminum. Okay. So we can see not standard threads. These actually look like type of spiral or thread you'd find on a little cap, the little oil cap for an engine. It's this very wide. I don't know if this will have if you'll have any issues with this maintaining the seal. The O-ring looks like it's in pretty good condition. This straw, this really long straw, is just there to make sure when you inject the propane, it stays as a liquid. It's gonna come down this straw, kind of stay as a liquid as it flows down this tube, and that's just to make sure you can get as much liquid in as you can before it converts to a gas. And I don't have my light, so you can't really see. I'll try to show you the inside of this tube. But there you can see. So it's pretty good. Yeah, so you can see there's no real obstructions in there. Just maybe at the top, that little ring, that little lip at the top. Yeah, there we go. Can't see it too good, but that's really all you can ask for. Just a really solid chamber, no obstructions. So that looks good.